we are going to import a DXF file into the Toskar Next 3.0 controller. The first thing we're going to do is go up here to Menu, and from Menu we're going to go to Programs, and then from Programs we're going to go to New from Part. Now we have to select the DXF file that we want to import. So we're going to select the disk. We're going to go to my C drive. Now this will be a touchscreen controller on the press brake itself, but this is my laptop. So I'm going to go down to Users, and Alan, that's me. And I'm going to go to Dropbox, Toskar Dropbox, Next 3.0 controller, and select the DXF file that I want to import. I'm going to highlight the file and hit confirm. Now we have to set some attributes here, and which we will go over in training. Everything is set like we need it to be. I'll hit OK. Now we give the file a name. I'm going to keep the name the same, Step Demo. And you see we have here in this right corner we have a 3D image of the part, and here, this highlighted, this is the DXF part. So it was that simple. We imported the DXF file.